Hey MSquad, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mary Maxine, the girl with the kinks and the curls.
Tell me how you want it. Coming up, brother in the casket. Tell me how you want it.
In today's video, I will be showing you all a wash day routine featuring the TGIN Miracle Repair line. This line has quality ingredients such as coconut oil, black honey, and biotin. This is perfect for your wash day routine because it leaves your hair super moisturized, super soft, super defined, and smelling like heaven. But before we jump into the whole wash day routine, you know what you gotta do. If you like this video, please be sure to leave a thumbs up. Be sure to also leave a comment in the comment section letting me know if you've ever tried any type of TGIN products before. Last but not least, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Wednesday at 6 p.m. and you don't want to miss out when I post those videos. And to ensure that you don't miss those videos, please be sure to also turn on your post notification bell. If you're not following me on Instagram, my name on Instagram is @KinkyCurlyMary. I would love to see y'all on Instagram. I love having my MSquad on YouTube and on Instagram as well. So please be sure to follow me on both platforms so you can get on it popping with your girl. Without any further ado, we're just gonna hop into the video so you can see how I got this bomb chunky twist out, and so you can also see my wash day routine. So I'm starting off with some old hair that was in a puff. It's time to show my hair some TLC. So first what I'm going to do is shampoo my hair, and I'm going to be using the Miracle Repair Strengthening Shampoo. This shampoo's benefits include cleaning hair gently and effectively. It is sulfate free and it smooths the cuticle surface of your hair. I really like this shampoo. It is quite moisturizing to me. It did not strip my hair and it definitely removed all the buildup that I had. Next up, I am going to deep condition my hair. So I'm going in with the deep hydrating hair mask, and this hair mask is actually quite watery. I wasn't sure how it was gonna work for me because when I first applied it to my hair, I felt like it wasn't really doing anything. But lo and behold, when you sit with a heating cap or under your hooded dryer, however you deep condition, it activates this product, and honestly, it leaves your hair feeling very, very soft, very, very moisturized, which I really, really like. Some of the benefits of this mask is that it restores life to dry, damaged, or color-treated hair, improves shine and manageability, and locks in moisture and repairs damage. I can definitely say that my hair was super moisturized after using this mask, and honestly, it took me by surprise because I wasn't sure how it was gonna work for me. I applied 2 plastic caps as well as my thermal cap and left this mask in for 25 minutes. After deep conditioning, I used the Miracle Repair Protective Leave-In Conditioner. So I followed the LCO method. So this was my leave-in for the LCO method. And I really, really liked this leave-in conditioner. It was super, super moisturizing. So I went in with that first, and then I followed up with the Curl Food Daily Moisturizer. And y'all, I really like this product a lot. I'm gonna explain why in a couple of seconds. But to seal in all that moisture, I used the anti-breakage serum as well, and then I began to twist my hair. I really, really like this combination together because it left my hair very, 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 when I say very, y'all, there's a huge emphasis on very moisturized. So the reason why I like the Curl Food is because it has such a great consistency. It's honestly not too thick, but it's also not too thin. Like, it has like a nice even, because I don't even explain the consistency, but I really like the consistency. Some of the key benefits of this product is that it restores nutrients in the hair, it hydrates dry, damaged, and color treated hair, reduces frizz and flyaways, and promotes healthy hair growth, shine, and softness. I honestly believe that it does all of those things because my hair was definitely shiny when I was done styling my hair. My hair felt amazing and it was super, super moisturized. So I really, really like the products from this entire line. I left my hair very moisturized, which I love so, so much because sometimes it's hard for my hair to stay moisturized. So the fact that this line just helped my hair overall, I really, really liked it. And I definitely will see myself gravitating back to it once I feel like my hair is dry or once I see my hair needs any type of TLC. I'll definitely run back to this line. I did a twist out like I mentioned before, and my twist looked juicy in this clip. Like, damn sis, where you going with them twists? No, but for real though, my twists look mad juicy. So in order to unravel my hair, I did go in with a little bit more of that serum, just placed it on my twist, and then I unraveled my twist. You already know how I do that, and yeah, my twist out was really, really popping. And that is all for today's video, y'all. I honestly love my results. Like I say this in every video, but this right here, this is perfection, okay? My kinks, my curls defined, my hair smells amazing. Like it smells like, I can't even put my finger on the scents. Like I keep getting like this pear type of scent. I'm pretty sure it's not pear, but I don't know. That's what I'm smelling and it smells phenomenal to me, and I really, really like just how my hair looks overall, how it feels. And yes, I'm gonna come closer so y'all could see the definition a little up close. So this is what my curls are looking like up close, y'all. Ah, look at that curl. Poppin', okay? Freaking poppin'. But thank you so much for watching today's video, y'all. I truly, truly appreciate MSquad. I have been watching MSquad grow from the beginning of this year until like now, and it's just such a movement to me. I appreciate all of you so, so much. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you liked this video, please be sure to leave a thumbs up. Also be sure to leave a comment in the comment section letting me know if you've ever tried any TGIN products before. I would love to know what you tried and how you felt about it. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I post videos every Wednesday at 6 p.m. Also turn on that post notification bell so that you're notified whenever those videos go up. And last but not least, be sure to follow me on Instagram. My name on Instagram is at KinkyCurlyMary. Until next time, MSquad, peace and love always. Bye, y'all.